good morning guys. Time check ngayon 2:48 ng umaga. Ngayon guys, magbabakasyon po tayo. Samahan ninyo kaming dalawa ng misis ko. Bakasyon po kami sa Singapore. Samahan nyo kami guys as we embark our journey, our vacation in Singapore. Takits guys. Ito lang po mga bagay namin, no? Ito sa akin. Yan po. Magta-travel po tayo from Cagayan de Oro to Laguindingan Airport. Mga estimated is 30 minutes lang po kasi umagang.
Ana.
There we go, mommy. Morning. My wife, me. We're going on vacation, guys. Pumunta po kami ngayon. We're going vacation. Punta kami ngayon sa Manila. Okay guys, see you later guys. See you later. Good morning, mommy. Good morning. Guys, punta kami ngayon ng Manila, guys. We are going on vacation. Nata sa Laguindingan Airport. Bound for Manila. Hey guys, waiting po kami for boarding. Philippine Airlines.
The heart of the Filipino welcomes you on board PR2520
Bound for Manila.
Our pilot in command is Captain Cruz, and this is your senior cabin crew Kim. Our estimated flying time is 1 hour and 15 minutes.
We will now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices